The International Criminal Court, ICC, is an independent international judicial body responsible for prosecuting individuals for crimes such as genocide, war crimes, crimes against humanity, and the crime of aggression. However, since its inception, there has been ongoing debate and criticism regarding whether the ICC is biased against Africa. The ICC was established through the Rome Statute, which was adopted in 1998 and came into force in 2002. Since its establishment, the ICC has opened investigations primarily in African countries, including Uganda, the Democratic Republic of the Congo, Sudan, the Central African Republic, Kenya, Libya, Côte d'Ivoire, and Mali. Critics argue that the ICC disproportionately focuses on Africa while ignoring potential crimes in other continents. Self-referrals. Many African cases came as a result of self-referrals by the countries themselves, requesting ICC assistance in prosecuting perpetrators who could not be tried domestically. The ICC has continued efforts to address criticisms of bias and improve its transparency and processes. Ultimately, the debate over whether the ICC is biased against Africa highlights the complexities involved in international justice.